Okay, hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Okay, so thank you for participating in my user research.
Mhm.
Today we're going to research the navigation and structure of the social network Elo. Just so you know what to expect, I'm going to ask you a few questions and then I'm going to ask you to complete a series of tasks. Please keep in mind that I am not testing you. I'm simply testing the navigation of the site. I also want to let you know that I will be recording this for collecting information and your identity will remain anonymous if you wish. And if I ask you any questions that make you feel uncomfortable, just let me know and we can pass it. If you have any questions for me, just feel free to ask and I will try to answer to my best ability. As we begin, it is very, very important to remember to think out loud. Cool?
Ready.
Okay, so first things first, please state your name, age, educational background, and occupation.
Oh gosh, this is gonna be a while. Okay. So, name Catherine Young, age 29, education background, undergraduate in science, also graduate in biochemistry, scientist for a while, and then went into communications and graphic design. And now I'm here as a full-time student at Parsons, about to finish up.
Very cool. My next question is, do you use any social media platforms? And if so, which ones and how frequently?
I'd say I use Facebook the most frequent. I check in every day. I'm not like a heavy user, but I would check in for messages usually from people that only use Facebook. I use Twitter as well, but that's maybe like once a week or less. Sometimes I'll have like 2 days a week, but that's rare. Um, Instagram frequently. Let's say I check that every day.
Okay.
Pinterest social media.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, Pinterest I use pretty often for schoolwork. That's helpful. That's about it.
Awesome. And do you know what Elo is?
I've heard of Elo, yeah. Yeah, I do know what it is.
But are you familiar with it?
I've checked it out a couple times, but I haven't like joined or I haven't really gone
Okay.
into it.
Got it. Okay. So go ahead and share your screen with me. It'll be on the left, the green button.
Entire screen, is that what I should pick? Or
Yeah, either the entire screen or just the web browser, whichever one you want.
share?
Okay. So go ahead and go to Elo. And first I'm going to ask you to go ahead and create an account. And remember to think out loud.
So this this is really cool. These this landing page, and it really caught my attention. And then when I thought about joining, I actually looked first here to log in, but I know that I don't have an account, so I can't log in. And then I saw join here, so I'll click on that. Come on, use REA. I don't know what it is.
It looks, yeah, I don't know what that is.
Click on it to see if there's, oh, use a real email. So they want me to fill it in. Oh, so I typed it in to see if it would automatically clear, and it doesn't. That's annoying.
Okay.
Before I delete all of that, I'll put in an email, and I'll click join. I'm checking my email, and now there's an agreement here. What am I saying? Every link follow is tracked, recorded, and converted into data. Advertising via data so they can show you more ads. Create a product, that's good. We will use there's better room, blah blah. We will use this price. No more product. That's weird, kind of. I find it a little indirect. Are they saying they're not going to sell my information, or are they? Even though they believe they're not, they haven't outrightly told me. I'm a very suspicious person. So
Yes, you seem to feel skeptical at this moment.
I definitely do. Share the manifesto. No thanks. What, I have to? That's the only way to join. I have to share the manifesto. What should I choose? Maybe I'll choose interest. Can I just pin here?
Sure. Wherever you want.
Done. Do I have an account now? I'll log in and see. Maybe I have an account. I do not have an account. How? I don't have a password. This is awful. I forgot my password. Maybe they will tell me what to do.
Oh man, okay.
So I'd have to check my Gmail. Right? Oh gosh, I agree. I can't seem to figure out how to start an account. Join. Log in. No. I don't know what to do. About. No. Enter your email and join. Okay, I'll try that again. Join. Oh, okay, check your email. I will put a have an account. Okay, signing into my account. See if Elo emailed me. They did. Twice. That manifesto is garbage. Wow, that's annoying.
I'm feeling a pain point here.
That was not easy. Just log in. Okay. Okay. There we go.
All right, so now that you're in here, is this what you were expecting and or what is your first impression right away?
I had no idea really what to expect. My first impression is it looks very like a beta version of something, probably because of the typeface they're using. It just looks a bit unrefined to me.
Okay, why do you say that?
The typeface they're using is almost like a slab serif, almost, but it's not. It's kind of monotype computer, like old style kind of typeface. So it makes it look unfinished or like it's in its very early stages.
Gotcha.
But I do like that it's black and white, but that's a personal preference. I'm not really into a lot of colors.
Mm-hmm.
There's a I don't really know where to look, like what's important, what's not. I mean, I see
Okay.
there's a video I could watch, but other than that, like I don't know where first to look.
Okay.
What?
So another task I'm going to ask you to do is go ahead and pick a profile picture and set it as your profile picture.
Okay. So I look here, like first for main
Why would you
information.
look there first?
I think I'm trained now to look for the menu on the right, top right, because
Okay.
of a lot of just mobile sites and websites now. I see more, and I feel like a lot of things that I should be here. But so I'll try setting. Maybe the profile settings are here. Here, so profile, everything, and image should be here. Drag and drop. So I have an image on the desktop. I'll drag it into here. Hopefully the image size is okay.
Nice
Yeah,
picture.
I have to save this now. I'm looking for like a save. Maybe I'm okay. The image is here now, so I'm assuming everything is okay.
Okay, were you expecting there to be something else?
I was expecting like a button somewhere that says like save changes, which
Okay,
is in WordPress and stuff, right? So
gotcha. Okay, go ahead and try to post something on your profile.
post something on my profile. I'm guessing say hello.
What
Hello.
made you click that first?
Um, because it's like one of those cartoon text like speaking boxes.
Okay.
So I would think if I want to post something, it's like saying something, it would go in there. But
Okay.
I'm not sure now. I don't know if this is just like a banner now because I don't know where I'm supposed to see this. Oh, my first post on Elo. Elo. Doesn't look like you posted yet. I click post. Hello world. Okay, so here's a post, but I have no idea where this is like existing in.
Okay. Yeah. So I was gonna ask you if you can post again. How would you go about doing it?
Again.
Mm-hmm.
I see posts here, so I'll click on posts. And I'm looking just for like a box to write in or something. This doesn't seem to be a place to post. It just seems to be like a fun thing. I put whatever I wanted. Looks like an edit button. One post. Maybe I'll go back to like the profile. No, go back here. Oh, a menu button. No, there's nothing to post.
Yeah.
Uh,
So now that you've clicked that menu button, what were you expecting to be there?
I was expecting like all the options of like what I can do, but there's just a person's face.
Who do you think that person might be?
A friend that they forced upon me that
And how
had
does
no
that make
choice.
you feel?
Neutral. I'm kind of like whatever. I feel like that's what all social media they sort of do that. Like they automatically add someone to you in most of them. So I'm like whatever.
Gotcha. Okay, so go to the home page, please.
You click on the smiley face.
Okay,
Oh,
cool. Why did you click the smiley face?
I think I've just been seeing it a lot, and it looks like that's their logo. And typically, clicking on the logo takes you to whatever your home is.
Okay.
But I wasn't sure. I didn't feel sure about it.
Okay. Okay, so my next task for you is to go and add a friend. Like, where would you go to add a friend?
I would go back to this because I saw the dude here.
Okay.
Um, but I'm looking for like a plus sign, like maybe like a circle with a plus, and I'd click on that to like add someone. But I'll click on him instead and see what happens. Maybe he's an example. Friend noise. Toggle friend relationship. Toggle noise. Oh, I'm guessing this is to say he's actually not a friend. Oh, and he's off my list. Look at that. Okay. How do I add a friend now? Navigation. This is confusing. Took me nowhere. I'll go back to my profile.
Okay.
Invitations.
Okay.
Um. Oh, hello, grow organically. It's not adding friends.
Is this what you were expecting for invitations?
Kind of. I was hoping that I would be able to just add people, but this does make sense too.
Okay, so what if I gave you my username and then tried to add me?
Okay.
So my username is Sima. So
I'm
now
gonna
how would you go?
I'm
Okay.
gonna click on search. sign posts. I'm looking for people. And there you are. And I will post you as a friend. And I know now that you should appear here. Yep.
Cool. So were you expecting anything when you clicked friend or anything like that, or not really?
No. I just expected you to show up here.
Okay. Cool, cool. All right, so my next task for you is to, all right, so if you saw a post that you thought was inappropriate, how would you go about flagging it down?
I would assume that beneath the post, there would be like a little flag I could tag.
Okay. Why don't you go ahead and try to do that?
Any posts? Let's see. Let's go to Sima. Posts 3. So I would expect like a little red flag here saying, I could tap on it to flag it as inappropriate. But there is none. But I see this flag. Oh, the hover helps flag post.
Okay.
Click on that. But, oh, okay. I just didn't click hard enough.
Okay, great. How would you go about writing a comment on someone's post?
I would click on this thing, dot, dot, dot.
What makes you click that?
Yeah. Comment. And then I would write a comment in here.
What makes you click the
dot?
ellipses? Yeah.
Because it's sort of commonly used in other platforms as well. When you see like the ellipses and number, it's comments.
Gotcha. Okay, and how would you go about sharing someone's post?
I would look for like a symbol along down here as well. This looks like something that share post.
Is that what you were expecting?
Yeah. A link with options for all the other media platforms. Yeah.
Okay, so now without scrolling up and without hovering over these, do you see those icons on the top right?
Yep.
Do you remember what those were?
The magnifying glass or the circle with the line is like to search for anything on Elo.
Okay.
This thing, I don't know. This thing, I don't know. This thing, I don't remember. This thing is like a drop down for more stuff, like
Okay.
settings. I only remember settings because I went there. And then FN is friends and noise, I think.
Okay. Why don't you go ahead and explore those?
Okay. Discover. Oh, I don't like how it pops out.
Why not?
I just don't like so much movement there. It feels like I have no control on it. So I can discover posts. What's this? Notifications. I'd rather have like the hover over.
Instead of it showing up?
Yeah, instead of this actually moving. Notifications. Invite my friends, right? Settings, invitations, store. Is it store? Oh, buy their t-shirts. Okay. My friends and noise. Oh, I put them on like a blacklist or something. Okay. Okay, I think I have a feeling of
What those are. Okay, and then, so do you kind of understand the difference between friend and noise now?
yeah.
Okay, and do you remember how to go back home
Looking for the
to see the home feed of what your friends are saying?
I don't remember. I'm looking for that LO logo. Is it not discover notifications? I'm kind of confused. Oh, here's the symbol. I'm not sure what I'm looking for. Is this the feed of of like everything that's related to me? Because this guy's noise and he's on my feed here.
What do you think?
I think he should be gone because I put him in noise. I don't want to see whatever he's posting. So I'm kind of confused what this is.
Okay. So are you not inclined to watch this video that's over here? Would you watch it or no?
I would watch it if I was bored, but I don't feel I have no idea what.
Okay, so one last task I'm going to ask you before the last task is to let me know where you would go to write your bio.
Click on my profile again because that's where I was able to change my picture, but now it looks different. I feel like things have changed like the years. Maybe I'll click on here now. No, so that settings. Here we go. So if I want to change my bio, go here,
Cool.
and then type in whatever.
Great. Okay, so the very last task I'm going to ask you to do is go ahead and sign out.
Well, there's a logout here, which I see now, but
Okay, go to your page and then log out.
in here, I would go up here and press this because I'm looking for like all the options I have. I would expect logout down here
And why would you expect it to be there?
because this is supposed to be. I feel like this is supposed to have all the options that I would want.
Okay, if you expect that from that drop-down menu, then what are you expecting from the menu on the top left, the hamburger thing?
I was expecting the same thing, like all the options, but now I'm trained to know like just my friends are here.
Okay.
Like, but I would have expected all this in here actually initially. But now I don't know where the logout is without going into my let's just enter my settings and then logging out to my settings.
Okay. Cool. So my last thing is I wanted to just ask you what your overall thoughts on Elo are.
Overall, it feels confusing. Like just it's not well organized.
Okay.
But it could be the concept of if they're honest about it that they're not selling your information and there's no ads. That's cool.
Yeah, how does it make you feel that they claim to have no ads on there?
I do like that idea of privacy, but I feel like I need more information to know like how they run to know if it's really true that they prove that they're not selling anything. Like, how do I really know? So, but I'm a very skeptical person.
Got it.
Yeah.
Any closing remarks?
I'm not super impressed with Elo, but I don't think it's horrible either. Definitely think they have hierarchy and navigational issues. It's not intuitive.
Gotcha.
But if they could improve on that, I definitely would go back and check it out more.
Cool. Well, thank you so much for participating in my
You're
research,
welcome.
and I will talk to you soon.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.